Welcome to the next video. In this video I want to go shortly about the course structure and how the installation of the software is planned in the next videos. So at first I have created an official GitHub repository where I uploaded the code of the whole course. So if you want to code by yourself while watching the videos, you should definitely download the code from the GitHub repository, or you can clone the GitHub repository. So if I go here to the GitHub repository, you can either here click on the green code button and then click on download zip, where you download just the zip of the code here, or you can just, if you're already familiar with GitHub, clone the repository. And here is all the code that I will present in the course and all the materials. At next, we will set up our Python environment in lecture 4. And for that, I assume that you have already either installed Anaconda, for example, or by any other way, Python on your computer. If you have already installed Python on your computer, you are good to go and you can start lecture 4. Otherwise, you should, for example, install Python via Anaconda, just as an example. Then in lecture 5, I will install and set up our IDE that we will use over the course, which is Visual Studio Code. This IDE is available for all 3 operating systems and it's completely free. So in lecture 5, I will just install it and set VS Code up. So here are already listed the extensions that we will install in VS Code and the settings that we will set in VS Code. So this part here is preliminary for lecture 5. As I said before, in lecture 4 we will set up our Python environment, and here are the installations commands that we will execute in lecture 4. Okay, so as I said, just download here the code of the course or just clone the repository, and you should have installed Python on your computer. If you have done these 2 steps, you can go ahead to lecture 4, where we set up our Python environment, and I will see you there. Bye bye.